So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come to this site www.gigabyte.com, and then right hand side you can see search tab. Click on that and then enter your motherboard model number B760M DS3H WIFI6E generations 5. Then hit enter. Wait few seconds to open the page. Then click to product and then click on title of your motherboard name. Then click to support. So select operating system, which is Windows 10 and 11. So if you are using Windows 10, because I am making Windows 11, so no worry, because installation process is just to select your operating system. After that, just follow this video and install the chipset, Intel in INF, and click to download. It's done, and just open it. Just double click to exe and then click to yes. Then close it.